Take a look, the first gadget that I ordered from Aliexpress for $1. And what is it? It says it's an umbrella rope, survival multifunctional 5-in-1 multifunctional outdoor rope camping adventure 7-core hand rope. Yes, it's a survival gadget and it costs only $1. That's why I ordered it. Where is it? I think it's this one. Ah, no bubbles. A multifunctional gadget. And it looks to me cool and very well made. On the video I saw the guy that is wearing like this. Yes, like a watch, but multifunctional gadget. Alright, and you can see that it have a rope right here so you can use it in emergency. And in description it says that it's 7-core paracord corrosion resistance anti-aging rope. That is nice. Also it have a fire starter. Use it to take a fire. Okay. It have a, this is for cutting, like a knife. Alright. It have a compass. It's a nice feature. And a whistle. Let's try it. Woo, it's loud. Alright. Let's try the fire starter. This is the firestone, this thing in the middle, and you need to scratch it like this, but I'm not gonna do it on my table. Okay, let's try it. Ooh! Can you see it? What? It's working fine. Great. Great product. Okay, let's proceed to the next one, which is this one. Okay, from $1 to $5 from AliExpress you can get this gadget. And what is it? It's a hard disk drive enclosure for 2.5-inch SATA SSD hard drive case with 5 GB per second transfer speed and transparent design. Yes, you can see through the case to see the hard disk drive, and that's why I ordered it, because I love transparent gadgets. Alright. I don't see bubbles. Oh. And here it is. Okay. We get short USB transfer cable. Take a look at the case. Enclosure for hard drives. How to open this? Oh! It's easy. Alright. I get it. There are a small circuit board right here on the top, and here I have a SSD hard drive that goes right here, and you need to fix it with these self-adhesive pieces that comes in the kit. Go like this one. Let's try it. Oh, feeling nice. let's close it. Nice. Okay. It's transparent. That's why I like it. There is a protective sheet, but I will not remove it. Let's see, does it work? And yes, we have a blue light, meaning working. Nice. I like it. All the links for today's products will be in description below, so you can check it. Alright. Next product that I got from Aliexpress, and of course for $1 you can get 5 pieces of this gadget. And what is it? It's a 2-pin or 2 wires USB Type-C 5A input type charging socket, female, and it's with LED light. That is a good one. Alright, I ordered it, and of course I got it. I can't believe it. No bubbles. Okay. 2-pin, 5 pieces, female Type-C connectors. And I have a small problem. One of the connectors fall out. Ooh, I need to place it like this, I think. Okay, and this one. Alright. So I got 5 pieces, female Type-C connectors for DIY projects. And what is special about these? They have a light. I don't know what kind of light. Let's try. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that is amazing. A female Type-C connector for DIY project, as I said, but with light. I have never owned this kind of component. I love it. And it's a green light. Awesome. Alright. Just to check, does it work, and giving 5 volts. Yes. On my USB Type-C tester it shows 5 volts. Alright. Next gadget. This gadget, it's not $1, it's around $2.7, and it's a telescopic charger cable 4-in-1, 65 watts, 6 amperes, fast spring USB cord for iPhone, for Samsung, for Xiaomi, for whatever phone you want, with Type-C. Alright, and I ordered it because it have a spring USB cord. Of course, I got it. Again, no bubbles. What is happening? Are they out of bubbles? Ooh, what a color! A yellow. Ooh, spring. That's why I ordered it. I do not have this kind of charging cable with spring. This is my first one. Let me show you what is special about this cable. This is metal, I think. I need to check that. Yes. Okay. So, from the one side we have Type A USB connector, but check this. You can remove it and convert to Type C or Type A. That is nice. Future. Take a look. And from this side we have lighting connector for iPhone, and when you remove it, It's Type C. This is nice. Alright. So let's try it. Nope. Like this one. And yes, it have a blue LED light indicating that it's working. I'm gonna remove this and plug to my phone, and voila, charging. Alright. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I love it. And it's yellow. You will never lose your cable out of sight because it's yellow. Alright, I see bubbles. Oh, let's open it. In the description it says that it's 6 centimeters long, charging the flashlight. And here it is. Main light, medium light, side red light, side light, red light strobe, together with the metal keychain. 20 grams. Charging port Type C. Yes. Okay. Turning on. Ooh. First, this is high beam, medium beam. Oh, now we have red light, blinking red light. Now we have police lights, red and blue. Turning off. And where is the yellow? Here it is, the white, blinking white, yellow. That's nice. It's pulling 270 milliamperes. Bright. It's decent for camping. Red light. Blinking red light. Police lights. I see bubbles. Oh. Let's open it. Ooh. Beautiful. Like you can miss it. Powering in 3, 2, 1. What? That beautiful LCD screen with blue, yellow, white, green color. This is my power supply giving 8.1 volt. Reading on the multifunctional tester 8.1 volt and on the multimeter 8.1 volt. Here it shows 5.1 ampere. Also you can read the watts, 56 watts at 12 volts. And I got it. So tiny board, but so expensive. Let me explain a little bit. You have a touch sensor right here, left and right button, the LED matrix in the middle, 5x5, that is 25 red LEDs. It have a speaker, it have a microphone, accelerometer, the Bluetooth communication. Wow, this is... It have a compass. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It makes sounds. With just few clicks you can download or upload the code to the Microbit, that level meter. And right here I have the microphone LED, turn it on. Logo. When you touch this button it will show this. If you shake it it will show the man logo. This very simple to program microcontroller board, and yes, it's worth it. Oh, finally bubbles! Bubbles. I love bubbles. Alright. What is this? Some kind. Oh, we have one more holder. Are these the same? It's magnetic, so you can easily place it on your smartphone. Oh, and I can feel it. It's pretty nice plastic. Thanks God. Oh, I figure out. Take a look. And if you don't have a magnetic ring, never mind, this will do the right job. Beautiful. Powering in 3, 2, 1. Wow! Those RGB LEDs. I love RGB LEDs. Whoa! You can see the moisture right away. Wow! Eyes, -4, -3. But here I have my laser thermometer. Take a look! -4! I can't believe it that this thing is super... Oh, I can feel it. Wow, and just like this. Beautiful. This is perfect for those who are gaming all day and the smartphone getting pretty hot, because it's cooling my phone. It's not anymore -1, 2, 5 or 10. Now, right now is 0 degrees. Okay, let's power on. Ooh! In the title says 15 watts, but on my USB doctor I'm reading 12.2 watts. Oh, it looks, I don't know.